Hello, do you want the juiciest, most beautiful plum pie ready for the oven in just 5 minutes? No fancy skills needed, just whisk, pour, bake and enjoy. You will need 700 grams of ripe plums, 2 medium eggs, half cup of melted butter, half cup of milk, half cup of sugar, 1.5 cups of flour, few drops of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt, 1-2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of powder for sprinkling. Line with a parchment paper and butter a 9-inch mold. Sprinkle with flour approximately 1 teaspoon and set up your oven to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Take your ripe plums, halve and pit them. Grab a big bowl, crack in 2 eggs, add salt, sugar, melted butter, milk, few drops of vanilla extract, and you need just whisk all ingredients. Now sift in your flour, cinnamon and baking powder right over the bowl. Mix just until you have a smooth batter, but don't overdo it, and add a lemon juice at the end. Place plums and pop it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes until golden and plums are ready. Just look at this. The cake is golden and your kitchen smells incredible. Let it cool slightly, dust with the powdered sugar, slice and enjoy. You can do this with the peaches, apricots and berries. Use whatever in season. If you love quick recipe like this, hit the like button, comment your favorite fruit for baking, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and bon appetit!